to True Image Consulting Group. Fortified by faith, we offer life coaching, real estate guidance, and transformation. Visit our website below. Click like and subscribe for our YouTube channel. I want to offer you a word of encouragement, and our word today will be grace. Grace is God's unfailing love that He extends towards all mankind. When we look around today, we can see there's a lot of devastation. We can look at what's going on in California, and a lot of people are questioning, if God loves us, why would this be happening? And I want to just encourage you to let you know that sometimes troubles and challenges jolt us in a way where we have to take time to really sit back and consider what's most important in our lives. I know that sounds really hard, but we get caught up in so many cycles of getting up at a certain time, working out, having the routines, going to work for 8 hours plus, coming home, until we really lose sight of ourselves, even finding the time to really truly discover our purpose in this life, to find time to explore even your hidden gifts and talents. That's what my company wants to help you do. A lot of us may not be able to get to the therapist, or maybe we're too embarrassed to go to a therapist. But there are other options. There are other alternatives. So give yourself some grace to know that adversity and loss doesn't have to be the end of your happiness. It's in these moments, in the challenges, where you have to dig down. And I always encourage you to look to God and hold on to your faith, and know that this time will pass. And when it passes, use this challenge to become better and not bitter. Look for it, and don't reflect on all of the negativity. Really take one day at a time. Pray and ask God for strength. I hope this encourages you today. Have a blessed one.